In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop people from adding you to WhatsApp groups. Many people are tired of being added to WhatsApp groups without permission. These groups can be spam, scams, or just unnecessary messages that waste your time and data. The good news is that WhatsApp allows you to control who can add you to WhatsApp groups. First, you're gonna open your WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Tap the three dots at the right corner and select settings. Okay. The next, tap privacy and then choose groups. Tap privacy and then choose groups here. Here you will see the three options. Everyone. Anyone can add you to groups. You see, by default, who can add you to the groups will be to everyone option. Here, anyone can add you to groups. Not recommended. My contact. Only people saved in your phone can add you. The last option is my contact accept. You choose specific people who are not allowed to add you. To completely stop unwanted group additions, select my contact accept, then choose all contacts and tap the check mark to save. If you don't want anyone to add you, choose the last option, my contact accept, and then choose all contacts like this. Here, you select all contacts and tap the check mark here, the check mark to save. Right. Here you see 2,234 contacts are excluded to add me to groups. From now on, no one will be able to add you directly to WhatsApp group. If someone wants to add you, WhatsApp will send you a private invitation and you can accept or ignore it. The invite will expire after 3 days. These settings help you avoid spam and scam groups, save internet data and phone storage. Stay in control of your privacy. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this interesting video. Ciao, ciao.